Hi everyone, born to be a florist here today. So it's something different I would like to present. So a lot of people complain about flowers quite expensive, and some people got flower as a gift or you buy yourself when you go shopping for food and you see flower in the supermarket. Here you go. Another one of the flowers from supermarket, and then it come a bunch like this, and then you don't know how you're gonna play with or you can arrange it. So it's quite easy and simple. Let me show you today about the secrets how you can do it and then look stunning on your walls. First of all, the flowers from supermarket, it's a thorn and all that, they're not going to be a good condition on that, some. And then check the size of the vase and then cut the stem about this, like I teach before, it's big, you know, about size of the scissors, and then peel another and then cut a little bit thorn out and then just put it, okay, and easy, just relax and then see. Cut some a little bit, leave out. If you see any petal is not nice, just peel them out and then look nice. And if you have the foliage or some greenery in your garden, why not? You can cut it and then put it on. Because the flowers from supermarket, they don't add a lot of greenery on that. It's different from the shop. If you go get from the shop, it's quite a lot of the greenery is we add on it. As look nice, but supermarket flowers, that what you get at the moment is I find out is the greenery is or foliage is really little. They just touch little because it's quite expensive. You can see. You just make them as a four shape of round, and then in the one in the center, then you can stand like that because they got a gap, both cross over underneath there. So any rose petals not nice or anything, you just every flowers really you can do all this arrange without oasis, and look, you can see them stand. And then after that you're going to control them to stand to cause at the front. And then cut, take them out. Try to not cut the flower stem too short. Maybe you need longer. You never know. And then it's too short, and then when you arrange it, might be then you can't fix. Here, and I still see they're not nice outside, so petals, so I'm gonna peel them out to look nice on there. And then let me see. There you go. And they're gonna go in there. Give them a little bit treat. Going to be crossover, and this is as for myself, I'm not gonna say the flower from supermarket that is bad, when you have a low budget, and then or it's sometimes they really good price and good deal come. At sometimes I hardly to say no to not take it from supermarket myself. Don't worry about when you just put it on, and then if they not stand for you, don't have to worry, because and then after that you can just control them. When you arrange at home, you just turn the vase. You don't need to do like me, because it's quite difficult if you're gonna do in one size. To turn the vase around, because this one I just want to show you, so I'm trying to not confuse, so I'm not gonna turn the vase around. Here we go. Right, okay. So here. And I just leave like that first, and after that then I'm gonna fix them. And any leaf or anything not nice, you just cut them out. There you go, you start it here. Not gonna do that in front. Here. It's pretty really nice to have the flowers in the vase at home. And then like a lot of people said, you know, flower is a waste of money or something, but it is something that's quite cheer you up. And then if you get the flower from supermarket, and then you don't know how you're gonna arrange, and just watch on this video, and then you know how to follow the instruction. Okay. Yeah. Now, then you can move them a little bit because they got twisting inside now. Okay, and on a flower stem, and then right, and then here, and then if the flower is too long, you cut the stem again. So I try to make the center a bit taller, and this is smaller. Take them, and you will see the gap when they close inside here. And this is a bit too long, so you can cut again. Like I said, if too long, you can cut it, but if too short, then that means everything will be short. Okay, here we go. And this is a bit long, bit short, cut out. That'd be nice. Okay. We'll see the gap in there, right here. Right, now you can see it's easy and simple. So then you can't say no for the flower from supermarket. And where you go, now you can see you got nice flower arrangement, and if you have a greenery in your garden, just add on it, and then cheap budget for the flowers and easy to arrange. See you on the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe and then like and share, and see you next video. Bye for now.